Okay, let me ask you something. What if you could totally transform how your entire body feels in just a couple of minutes a day? Well, it's simple, it's incredibly effective, and we're going to talk all about it: foot rolling. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Yeah, rolling a ball under my foot sounds nice after a long day. But what if I told you this simple action is about so much more than just soothing tired feet? For example, what if this little movement could actually start to untangle that nagging, persistent lower back pain you've been dealing with? Or how about that stiffness that always seems to find its way into your neck and shoulders, especially after a long day at the computer? What if the solution for that actually started all the way down at your feet? And here is the real mind blower. What if it could actually improve your brain function and give you more mental clarity? I know, it sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me and we're gonna break down exactly how this all connects. So this brings us to the first big idea we have to wrap our heads around. We need to stop thinking about foot rolling as just a spot treatment. It's a holistic practice, a full body solution that sends positive ripples through your entire system. And what's really wild is just the sheer range of things this can help. Of course, it's a lifesaver for foot-specific issues, like plantar fasciitis. But as you can see here, the connections run so much deeper. We're talking about a chain reaction that can help ease knee pain, hip pain, lower back discomfort, and yeah, even that stiffness in your neck. It's a full-body tune-up, and it all starts from the ground up. So you might be wondering, how on earth is that possible? Well, the first piece of the puzzle is understanding the structural role of our feet. You have to think of them as the literal foundation of your entire body. I love this quote from Dr. Vivek Joshi. He absolutely nails it. If your feet are healthy, your neck is going to be healthy. It's such a perfect way to picture it. If the foundation of a house is solid, the whole structure is stable. It's the exact same principle for our bodies. Just think about it for a second. Your feet absorb the shock of every single step you take. They control your posture, the way you walk, everything. So if your feet are tight or misaligned, it just throws the whole system out of whack. It creates stress on your knees, your hips, your back, and you guessed it, all the way up to your neck. Okay, so that's the structural side of things. But the second reason this works is honestly even more fascinating. We're not just talking about bones and muscles anymore. We are talking about the power to actually rewire your nervous system. This right here is the secret weapon of foot rolling. You see, your feet are packed with tons of sensory nerves. When you roll them, you're lighting up those nerves, and that sends a powerful signal to your brain to activate what's called the parasympathetic nervous system. That's really just the fancy name for your body's rest and heal mode. It's the total opposite of that stressed out fight or flight response. And when you flip that rest and heal switch, oh man, incredible things start to happen. Your body eases up on the stress hormone cortisol. Your digestion improves. Your body can actually recover and heal itself more effectively. It can even help balance out your blood pressure and pulse. And yep, as we talked about, it improves brain function, giving you that extra clarity. All of that from rolling a little ball under your foot. It's amazing. All right, so by now you're probably thinking, okay, I'm sold. Just tell me how to do it. And you know what the best part is? It could not be easier to get started. Let's walk through it. First things first, the time commitment. Are you ready for this? We're talking about just 1 to 2 minutes per foot. That is it. It's honestly one of the most efficient and powerful wellness habits you could possibly build into your day. So here's the technique. Start by sitting down somewhere comfortable. Place the middle of your foot on a tennis ball or a similar firm ball. Now just lean forward a little to apply some gentle pressure. Then you just roll. Smoothly, forward, backward, little circles, whatever feels good. Just make sure you avoid rolling right over the bony parts of your foot. When you find a spot that's a little tender or sore, and you will, just pause there. Hold the pressure for about 15 seconds and let it release. After a few weeks, once you're comfortable with it, you can progress to doing it while standing for a much deeper massage. Now, this isn't meant to be a one and done kind of thing. The real power, the real magic comes from turning this into a consistent, lifelong wellness habit. So what does that look like? Aim to do this about 3 to 4 times a week. Or hey, if it feels good, do it every single day. Remember, the goal here isn't intensity. It's all about consistency. Making this a regular, almost automatic part of your routine is what unlocks all those continuous, long-term benefits for your entire body. So the big takeaway is this: foot rolling is an incredibly powerful and efficient tool. In just a few minutes a day, you can actively improve your body's alignment, calm your whole nervous system, and even boost your mental clarity. What an amazing investment in your overall well-being. And that really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If something as simple as rolling a ball under your foot can have such a profound impact, what other small, simple habits might be out there just waiting to unlock a whole new level of health and well-being? It's definitely something to think about.